I was doing a little cleaning up in my closet and I found this pack of Kiss press-on nails that I have had since probably 2020. In 2020, when the pandemic hit, all the nail salons and beauty salons and everything was closed and nobody could get their nails and stuff done. So that's when I was rocking press-ons heavy. So now that I'm a little more experienced at doing my own nails, I'm going to show you guys how to apply press-ons in a way that they will last 2 to 3 weeks. So let's get into the tutorial. So this is what the nails look like outside of the box, and they are so cute. I'm loving the colors. This ombre like nude color that goes into this like grayish brown is so cute. The metallic is super cute. The stones look super professional, like a nail tech put these on. And they're very shiny. They have a glossy look to them. And I love the whole look of these nails. And nobody's gonna know that these are press-ons. Nobody would ever suspect that these are some press-on nails because that is how professional they look. So this is everything that came in the pack. It does come with multiple sizes. We do have, let's see, we have multiple ones with stones on them, multiples of the ombre look, multiples of the metallic ones. So you just pick your sizes and what pattern you want to go on which finger and go from there. It did come with a nail glue and this little nail file and a wood cuticle pusher, but we are not going to use this. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to apply them and everything that I'm going to be using to put these on. So I'm going to move everything over to my nail table so we can get started on these nails. So I've picked out my sizes for my nails and this is what we're going with. So I'm going to do the ombre on the thumb and then we're going to have 2 blinged out ones in the middle, and then for my ring finger we got the metallic, and then on the pinky I have another ombre. So I already put a pinky one on my left hand and I'm loving it already. So let me show you guys how I put this on. Okay, so I'm gonna take my file and just file that top shiny layer of my nails down just to knock the shine off. You don't need to do it aggressively, just gently go over the top of your nails until you knock that shiny layer off. And normally I prep my natural nails hand by hand, but for this video I'm just doing it finger by finger. So now that I got the shine off, what I'm gonna do is grab my Beetles nail glue that I got from the Beetles Gel Nail Tips kit. They do sell the nail glue by itself as well, and you can find it on Amazon. So instead of using the nail glue that comes with the press-ons, that's a no-no. We are going to use the Beetles nail glue. It's more like a thick gel glue, and it has to be cured under the nail lamp, and that is one of the secrets to making your press-ons last longer, because the nail glue that comes with press-ons, that does not hold as well as this gel glue. So head on over to Amazon and get you some gel glue and a light, or you can get the Beetles Gel Nail Tips kit. It comes with the glue and the light and some full coverage nail tips. So you got the whole thing in one kit. So what I just did was apply a layer of glue. You don't want to apply too much glue, but just enough to where you can get a good hold. So now I'm grabbing my nail lamp that came with the kit, and I'm just gonna grab the nail that I want to go on that finger, and I'm just gonna line it up with my cuticle and press down. Turn the light on before you start to press down, because you will not be able to use both hands to press on the light and press down on your finger. And I'm still pressing down as it's curing under the light, because I want to make sure it sticks really well, and we are going to cure it for 60 seconds. And this is how it looks on, and they're super sturdy. As you can see, I'm pressing down into my hand and they are not budging, they are not lifting. If I would have used the glue that comes with the press on pack, they would have popped right off. So now I'm moving on to the next finger, and of course we are going to prep it up by buffing that shine off, and we're going to repeat the same process that we did with the other fingers. And one thing that I forgot to record on camera is I actually used my electronic nail file, and I went up under the press-on nails before I put them on and just knocked the shine from up under the press-on nails so that they could stick better to my natural nails. But I didn't record it. I'm sorry. Next time I will, but that's part of the process as well. So now that I've applied my glue on this middle finger, I'm gonna go ahead and select the nail, and I went with the blingy one for the middle finger, and I'm lining it up with my cuticle, applying pressure and not letting go. Once you press down, do not let go. Go straight under the curing light, because you don't want any bubbles, or you don't want the glue to ball up. That creates a space for your nail to pop off. So as soon as you press down, be ready to go under the curing light and start curing it. And after about 20 or 30 seconds, you can let go and let the curing light cure it the rest of the way up until 60 seconds, and the curing light will turn off by itself if you use the Beetles one. And this is how it looks once you get it on there. We are halfway through, and you cannot tell me that it don't look like I went to the nail shop. And this is so quick and easy to do. It does not take a lot of your time. So if you got a date, or you have some type of special occasion, or even a little sneaky link or something, you trying to have your nails looking right, this method is for you. Or even if you just don't feel like going to the nail shop, or you want to give your nails a break from all the acrylic and things that they use at the nail shop, go on and get you a pack of press-ons and hook it up, girl. And as you can see, they are looking so good. I'm checking to see if they are sturdy or not, and yes, they're very sturdy. They're not lifting, they are not moving, and these nails gonna keep the same energy for the next 2 weeks. So that's the best thing about this method of applying your press-on nails. And just like that, we have a full set. And there's only one more thing that I'm going to do, is apply a top coat just to give it some extra shine. I used my Model 1's top coat. This is a really good top coat. You can find it directly on the Model 1's website, or you can order it on Amazon. And I'm not applying the top coat to the nails that have the stones on them, just the ones that don't. I want my stones to stay shiny, so that's the reason why. And after I applied the top coat on all the fingers that I wanted on, I did cure that top coat for 90 seconds. So the last thing that we need to do is apply some cuticle oil around our cuticles, just to make sure they're not dry and crusty. And I got this cuticle oil from Five Below in their nail section, and it's a rose one, so it smells really good. It smells just like rose. And I'm just going around my cuticles just to make sure they're nice and moisturized. And just like that, I have a full set of nails, honey. And you cannot tell me it does not look like I went to the nail shop and got these nails done. I only paid $7 for this pack of press-ons. I got them from Target in the nail section. And if I would have got these nails done the same exact length and color and design on the nails, it probably would have costed me about $60 at the nail shop. So I saved a whole $53, okay, which that can go on gas, food, or whatever else. And look how sturdy they are. They are not moving, they are not even budging like they want to pop off. So make sure you guys use the tools that I used and do your own set at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved doing it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. Peace.